The Lord has blessed me with some beautiful weather today. Started out cold at 34 degrees, but it's supposed to top out at like 68 this afternoon. And by the time you see this video, well, happy spring, y'all. Because I guess it was Friday at 10:46 Eastern Time. We officially hit springtime. And man, this weather this weekend is going to be beautiful. I'm going to get out and enjoy every minute of it. But you know what today is. It is the day I'm back on this log pile. I'm trying to figure out an attack plan to clear out some more of these smaller trees to get this big log uncovered. Got a mess going on up here, so just trying to get an idea of what I want to do. So I'm going to get my gear on, try to figure out a game plan and start whittling away and get into this log pile a little bit more. This is a little gnarly down here with all the logs and ain't really a way to escape. So I think I'm gonna go to the other end of this log and cut it. See if I can loosen it and get this to drop down. Got that drop down. I'm gonna start chunking that up. All right, got that cleared out a little bit. Let's go work on this other side some more. Let me get this mess picked up and stacked down the hill. We'll see where we're at. I'm gonna take this down the hill. Be right back. Let me go stack load 2. I'm gonna continue whittling away at this mess on top of everything and expose some more of this big log. It looks like this one right here on top of this white oak is supporting the big log, so I don't want to mess with that one yet. I'd like to keep that log up off the ground, so then when I cut it, it'd be pretty easy. But I'm gonna continue whittling away with this stuff up top. Surprised I have not found snakes down here yet. Knock on wood. Well, I'm getting it a little more opened up. Every little stick helps. Making a difference. Getting it opened up. Just trying to make sure I'm not cutting a log that's supporting another log. Got a bunch of stuff in the middle. But man, this is a big log right here. And got another big one laying underneath. Another beast down there. I'm gonna get these branches processed up, get it down the hill. And then I'm gonna show you the big log and what we got. Let's get the trailer, get it loaded up. I think I got this big log ready to go. I got the last of this stuff loaded up. But before I go stack it down the hill, I got something I think I want to do. I'm gonna move this slab out of the way and let's take a look at this beast. Oh, nice. It just split in half for me. Save me some work. Let's cut off this end and square it up. See what it looks like on the inside. Got a hole in the middle, but man, that looks like a pretty good solid tree right there. That's going to be plenty of firewood. It's going to be some good burning stuff. So a heads up, next video I bust out the chainsaw. We're going to start tackling this beast. Get this cut up and see how much firewood this will make. I'm going to measure it out so we can see how long it is and how wide. And then you'll know how much firewood you can get out of a trunk about this size. Anyways, I'm gonna go finish stacking this wood down the hill. Hope y'all enjoyed the video today. Next video, guess we'll get this stuff split up. Till then, man, y'all have a blessed week, and I'll catch you on the next episode.